What's up everyone? Welcome to Crypto Maximalist. Today we're taking a look at Vechain and its recent price action, and make sure to watch the video till the end for a price prediction for the short and the long term as well. First things first, please smash the likes, subscribe and hit the bell icon. YouTube is not pushing crypto content out currently and our subscribers aren't getting notifications, so make sure to join our free Telegram to stay up to date with all of our videos as they are posted, links in the description. It really helps if you hit the like. We're posting 4 videos per day, so come back every day for daily updates and analysis, and make sure to comment down below for your chance to win a hardware wallet in our new monthly giveaway. We'd also like to thank you all so much for your support. We've just hit 10k subscribers, so make sure to subscribe if you haven't already. This is not financial advice. Welcome to Crypto Maximalist. Let's begin. What's up guys, so just before we begin, we've had many reports that our subscribers aren't seeing our content, and this is most likely because you haven't hit the real subscribe button, which is the bell icon with all notifications turned on. Give it a tap now, turn on all notifications, and you'll most likely see most of our videos being posted. Also, if you want to support the channel, make sure to tap that like, it really helps us out. We're posting 4 videos per day, so make sure to check back every single day for daily updates. So we're just taking a look at Vechain here, and I mean, as we can see, no signs for bear market whatsoever. A lot of people have been talking about bear markets for a while now, and obviously we have been in a bearish trend recently, but I mean, when you look at this chart, it's pretty clear that we're not in a bear market. When you're in a bear market, you're doing something like this, where you're trending generally downwards inside of a channel like this. This is a bear market over a period of like a few years, but currently all we've seen really is a bearish trend, and we are showing a lot of signs here that we are actually reversing out of this, which is obviously really good to see. Just taking a quick look at Vechain here, you can see quite obviously that, you know, we've formed this big channel now, haven't we? We've basically got quite a few touch points on the bottom here. We've got basically our top of the channel as well, forming this big trend that we're in. And you know, as far as we're concerned, until we break out of this trend, we're not really in a bear market, are we? We can see quite clearly here, we've been in this descending triangle, this descending wedge that we have been for pretty much every crypto, haven't we? And as we've been saying for weeks now, we've been showing a lot of signs of strength, haven't we? Breaking out, back testing this resistance that we have been under, very bullish, flipping resistance into support, coming down, retesting that resistance as support again. And obviously we're getting the bounce now, aren't we? And pretty much every single altcoin, it's coming and ripped through the 20 EMA, and it's currently, you know, consolidating between the 20 and the 55 on our daily here. Same with Polygon, and also the same with Cardano. Ethereum itself, the main altcoin, obviously, has actually broken out of the 50 and the 55 and the 20, and looks as though it may backtest before continuation. But just take a quick look at that, you can see what I mean. On our daily time frame here, you can see Ethereum it's basically come up through both of our EMAs here, very bullish. Hopefully it can backtest now, get that bullish flip like this, and then drag the market up with it, because obviously Bitcoin is leading the market right now. And you can see Bitcoin has been very bullish, hasn't it? It's basically had 9 green candles in a row, so that retracement was very likely, and it looks as though we are starting to get it now. Currently backtesting previous levels here, and hopefully we can get that bullish flip of our EMAs for Bitcoin on the daily time frame as well, because you know, this is so bullish, isn't it? We've just absolutely ripped through all these resistances, come to the top of the range. Maybe we can backtest now and, you know, start doing something like this, where we basically move to the upside, backtest, break out, backtest, and then start moving up, you know, in a big positive trend. Because, you know, recently things have been, you know, very negative in the space. A lot of people calling for a bear market. Everyone's saying that things are all over. And, you know, once we got below 30k, everyone was saying, oh no, it's the bear market, it's here. And then we spent, what, the better part of a day under there, and then the short squeeze the short squeeze off the back of this massive bullish divergence that we've been talking about for literally months here was pretty incredible, wasn't it? You can see quite clearly that we've got this huge bullish reversal. And, you know, if Bitcoin, you know, has a little retracement right now, we're probably going to start seeing that for a Vechain as well, because it's leading the market. We could come back here and retest some of these levels of support, backtest the 20, and then maybe, you know, start to continue once we see Bitcoin picking up again and re-challenging that high. Because once it picks up a head of steam after backtesting, it's very likely that potentially we could be, you know, up and out of that range for Bitcoin. If that's the case, obviously we'll be looking for those reversal signs for Vechain, breaking out of the 55, backtesting it, and continuing to, you know, get this W double bottom pattern fully realized, which would take us up to around this 12 cent level. And then, you know, once we start doing this and we start doing higher lows, higher highs up in a trend like this, things are going to be looking very nice for continuation, aren't they? So we're feeling quietly confident, and we always have been, that this is just, a blip in the wider bullish trend. And it looks as though we are showing a lot of signs of life here. I mean, you can see here, we're actually holding the 55 as support after, having a bit of a fake out below it for Vechain. We're currently up at around, 8 cents now, and we're above our 55, consolidating between the 20 and the 55 before continuation. Pretty much touched the bottom of the channel. You could probably say that that basically is a touch, just like we touched here and here and here. And you can see what happened after. Pick up, massive pickup, consolidate, pick up here, massive run up, consolidate. And now, we're looking for that fifth Elliott wave, aren't we, to basically take us to the end of the bull run, where we're looking for those price targets of around $1, which do seem, very possible, especially when you look in confluence with our Fibonacci extensions here. This 161, is that the 161? I literally can't see because it's very, very blue and hard to see with the yellow in the way. It's 161, isn't it? There we go. The 161. So, I mean, there's a lot of confluence to suggest that we can definitely go higher here. And when you look at, the kinds of levels that are being respected here, it's pretty amazing, really, how much there is confluence here with the fib extensions. It's pretty clear to us that it seems likely that we're probably going to see, pick up again pretty soon because, Vechain's holding support and we are seeing breakout patterns for continuation. So that's really all we need to be looking at, really. And then you can see on our hourly time frame here, let me just put this on auto. You can see we did form this inverse head and shoulders pattern, didn't we? Something like this with your neckline. Then you got your breakout target. If you just draw from the neckline to the top of the head, basically coming up like this, we did get breaking. Actually, I guess you could say that this is the neckline, couldn't you? And if that was the case, then you'd probably be looking at something like this. Yeah, that makes a lot more sense. So you got your inverse head and shoulders there for Vechain, didn't you? And you obviously got your breakout target, which is perfectly met, all the way up at around this 9 cent level. Currently, chopping sideways and consolidating. So if Bitcoin does, have that back test that we need, we could look at Vechain coming back down to these levels at around 7 cents before, getting that run up again. But we did say, and we always will continue to say, the bull run is not over until we see evidence of that, and we haven't seen it yet. And we do strongly think that Vechain does have the potential to get up into this 50 cent to $1 range by the end of the bull run here. Going into the end of the next 6 to 8 months, the end of the year, December, early January time, we could be looking at some of these price extensions. So that's our update today, guys. We'd like to thank everyone for watching. If you have any comments, questions, or suggestions, please let us know down in the comments section below. Please make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you can keep up to date with all of our videos. Remember to comment down below and be subscribed to enter into our brand new monthly giveaway for a hardware wallet. If you'd like to support the channel more directly, please sign up to our Patreon via the link in the description below, or sign up to YouTube membership by hitting the join button right next to the sub below this video, where you can get access to our private Discord. We're offering coin calls, one-to-one access to us personally, insight into our personal portfolio, daily research of crypto assets with massive potential, and access to our brand new 100x portfolio. With so many benefits, you might as well check it out below. Don't forget to get 2 free stocks with Webull by signing up and then depositing $100 using our link in the description below. You can quite literally deposit the $100, get your 2 free stocks, and then withdraw the money. So there's no reason not to do that, and they could be valued all the way up to $1,600 each. But don't forget to actually deposit as well after signing up, otherwise you won't receive the second stock. Scammers get worse every day, so make sure to protect yourself and your crypto online with PureVPN. Sign up below for some big discounts. You can get access to block content and protect yourself from phishing scams with super low monthly payments and high quality speeds. You can also sign up to our free Telegram via the description as well. All the links are in the description for affiliate links for discounts and free crypto, so go check them all out below. There's plenty of goodness on offer. Please like and subscribe. We are Crypto Maximalists.